You have mastered your sales pitch. You know your product and your service really well, but you are not closing the amount of sales that you know you should be closing on the telephone. In this video, I am going to share with you three very easy ways to improve your communication on the telephone so you can close more sales. And some of these have not been mastered by other salespeople. My name is JAYNE LATZ, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, where we have been working with individuals just like you for 15 years, consistently delivering strong results so you can communicate with greater impact, close more sales, and build your business. Are you ready to learn 3 communication techniques that will help you to communicate more effectively on the telephone so you can close more sales? So what is this secret that I'm about to share with you? What is the secret about these 3 tips? They are all related to body language. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you that this is my 5th video on communication topics to help you close more sales on the telephone. If you have not watched the other videos, you can get them from clicking right here. I want to be sure that you have all the tools you have to build your business success by closing sales on the telephone. So what are these 3 techniques? And before I tell you this, I want to share a story. I was asked a few years ago to present to a team in an organization. And I talked about body language, and they responded back, "We're on telephone sales all day long." And I said, there are many techniques related to nonverbal communication when closing sales on the telephone. And after I shared them, it was a wow moment for that individual and his sales team. And that is why I'm excited to share with you just how important nonverbal communication skills are, even on the telephone. So tip number 1 is posture. Our voice comes from our diaphragms, and if we want to have a strong, confident voice, we need good posture. Think of it almost as if you have a string reaching up to the ceiling. Before you go to make that call, sit up tall. Think about taking that breath so you can exude a strong, confident voice. Tip number 2, don't forget active listening. You might say, well, if I'm listening, where's the nonverbal communication? When you're on a telephone call, it's important that we connect with the person we're speaking with and to let them know that we are as interested in what they are saying as what we are saying. And we do that with that occasional head nod accompanied with, I understand. They can't see you nod your head, but that active listening will let them know that you are in fact not just trying to sell, but to connect, listen, and explain. And tip number 3, so often forgotten, is to smile. People will hear your smile. I know that sounds funny, but your smile will impact your tone and you will sound more positive and you will close more sales. If you have any questions about any of the nonverbal techniques that I just mentioned, please feel free to comment below and I will respond. I love hearing your questions. Go out and practice. Feel the difference when you sit up tall, when you are acknowledging your listener, and when you are smiling. The nonverbal communication tips will help you to close more sales on the telephone. I'm JAYNE Latz, also known as the Communication Trainer, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.